my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko and today, if today's your first on this channel, I am so happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes, so today it will be the last day. I'm going to teach you about the songs that we normally sing when we're playing our games, okay? But that does not mean it's the end of it. There's still a lot more, okay, such as boko. I play a lot more that we still sing when we're playing our games when we're a lot younger. But for this series, I'm gonna put this to an end, okay, on these songs. Then we'll continue on something else, okay, from next week, and then maybe some other time again I'm gonna bring this back. Alright, so today the one we're gonna learning about is, so this one is called Emma Wenyo. Okay, so that means don't look back. So the way this game is we all sit round on the floor, okay, and then one of us will be outside cycle, and then they will have a white cloth with them, or maybe any piece of clothing, okay, and then this one we will put the clothing at the back of someone, but nobody must look back. You must not know who's got the material, okay? And then she'll keep singing, or he will keep singing the song. And then if the person, when you eventually get to the back of the person where you have the glue, then you hit them, and then they get up, and then they have to do another round of that, okay, with the song, okay? But here's the song. But before we do that, we have to greet everyone together in Yoruba language, okay? Just in case they ask us, where are your manners? Where is the culture? Olukatideke is trying to teach us, okay? So we're gonna do this together on the count of Enio, Ejo, Eta, Oya, Ekaro, Ekaso, Ekale, Akudede àsìkò ní gbogbo tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Àǹtìdékẹ́. Tó ní ìbájọ́ ọjọ́ àkọ́kọ́ tí máa sọ̀rọ̀ ètò ẹ̀wò, inú mi dùn láti rí yín sẹ́. Àní ẹ káàbọ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ní títọ́ ní a tún máa tẹ̀síwájú nínú orin eré ìdárayá tí à ń kọ́, ṣòye yín. Ní títọ́ ní ẹ máa wẹ̀yìn o, òun la máa kọ́, ṣòye yín. Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀, mo ní láti túmọ̀ fáwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì. Ó yẹ bàbá wa kà lọ. Alright guys, so today we're going to be learning Don't Look Back. Emma Wenyo. Okay, so this is the way it goes, okay? So while we're going around the cycle, okay, whoever has got the piece of clothing, do the calling, and then you will respond, okay? Emma Wenyo, you will say Wenyo. So that means when I say do not look back, you will say don't look back, okay? If I say Emma show fofo, then you say, if I say Emma show fofo means do not gossip, then you will respond to me in saying gossiping is bad. Ofofo odara, okay? Emma jale mo ole. So when I say do not steal, okay, you will say do not steal. Ìdí ọ̀rẹ́ mi lèmi ò fi sí, ìdí ọ̀rẹ́ mi tàlántòló. That means I'm going to drop this piece of cloth at the back of my friend. Realistically, everyone in the circle is your friend. So how do we know what friends you're going to put the piece of cloth behind, okay? But we're not supposed to look back. We must not know who you're putting that behind, okay? So by the time you go around and sing that song, to drop the cloth, then another round of song you will sing is to pick on the person that you've dropped the cloth behind, okay? And then the person will pick up the clothes, okay, and replace you, and do the same till everyone gets around, okay? So let's say the song again. Emma Wenyo Wenyi, Emma show fofo, ofofo dara, Emma jale mo ole, ìdí ọ̀rẹ́ mi lèmi ò fi sí, ìdí ọ̀rẹ́ mi tàlántòló, ìdí ọ̀rẹ́ mi lèmi ò fi sí, ìdí ọ̀rẹ́ mi tàlántòló. Did you get that? I know, but these are the songs that we sing and we used to enjoy. Oh my goodness, we never get tired. Okay, so that's it for a series of songs that we sing when we're playing games in Yoruba land and in Yoruba language. Okay, so next time you happen to go to Nigeria, mommy and daddy takes you to Nigeria, and then you see children singing that on the street, just jump in and play with them. That's if mommy and daddy permits you. Okay, all right, then, as you know, we're going to be saying our goodbye together on the count of Enio, Ejo, Eta, Oya, very much. Ẹ ṣeun.